What if you could launch a company this weekend using AI tools that are already built, already working, with 0 employees required to deliver on it? And the best part is, you don't even need to be technical. You just need to know how to package your value, position it clearly, and deliver a result that people truly care about. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 simple AI tools that I would personally use if I was starting from scratch today. I'm going to show you what each tool does, what you can confidently sell with it, and how to get clients starting as early as this week. So before we dive in, I have a free guide on how to get started in AI, even if you don't have any experience at all. It's called the AI Gold Rush Guide, and you can check it out below this video. People have told me it's immensely helpful, and again, you can get started without a tech background at all. So you might want to check it out, and I hope it's helpful to you. Let's dive in. So let's start with one of the simplest, most profitable AI offers on the market right now. You can get started immediately, and it solves a deep pain point for so many business owners. Because here's something I see again and again. Business owners rarely have a lead problem. They typically have a follow-up problem. They're busy, their team is stretched, or maybe they're experiencing team turnover. A potential client or lead fills out an inquiry form, and it takes forever for the team who's responsible for getting back to that person to actually reach back out. And that delay costs them tens of thousands of dollars every single month. So that's why this tool works so well. You're putting an AI receptionist in between the customer who wants to get information and the business owner who would like to earn their business. The software in itself and the tool in itself has a very simple promise. Faster follow-up equals more booked calls, which results in more revenue. There's a lot of different tools that you can use to fill this gap, but there's one in particular called Atlas that's getting a lot of attention around the internet. So I want to show you how impressive this tool is. So I'm going to grab my phone, I'm going to put in my name, my email address here, and you're going to see, I'll put it on speaker. You're going to see how impressive this is. And there's a lot of softwares out there that do exactly this. So the AI sales agent is going to call me. I'm going to put it on speaker.
Laura.
Hi, this is Laura.
Great. Thanks for confirming. How's your day going so far?
It's going great. How's your day going?
I'm doing well. Thanks for asking. Laura, are you ready to take Atlas, the world's first AI revenue engine, for a spin and stop losing leads to low follow-up and wasted ad spend?
Yeah, I would love that.
Cool. Were you impressed with the speed at which my call came through?
Yeah, it came through very quickly.
Just to confirm, your business spends at least $4,000 monthly on ads. Is that correct?
That is correct.
Perfect. That's exactly who our solution is designed for. Due to high demand, we are currently scheduling new appointment or 30-minute time slots. Would you like to go ahead and book an appointment?
No, I just wanted to hear how your voice AI worked.
I completely understand. The free account is a great way to get started and explore everything Atlas has to offer. You can always book an appointment later directly from your account settings if you'd like personalized guidance. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
No, I'm all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you for your time today, Laura. We're excited to have you try Atlas. Have a wonderful day.
You too. So there you go. It's it hiccuped a little bit, and I think that's just because of the internet connection of where I am right now. But for the most part, I was pretty impressed, and I hope you were too. The nice thing is that with an AI receptionist like that, they're not going to take vacations. They're not going to take breaks. They're not going to take a 2-hour lunch. They will be available all the time. And even if you were to resell this for $1,000 or $2,000 a month, that is a fraction of what a small business owner will spend trying to staff and maintain and keep happy somebody to do that type of work. The second offer is something that I think you might have heard about. It is very popular amongst different people who are talking about AI online. And this is for those of you who see an opportunity with clients. You see a gap in the market. You might be working in a role right now, or maybe you are currently working with consulting clients and you're thinking to yourself, I wish there was a tool for this. I wish that there was a way for people to be able to input certain types of information or data and get out what it is that I want them to know. And for that, the perfect solution is a software called Lovable. Lovable is a lot like giving your idea a very patient but very fast developer who can create an app for you without you needing to learn code at all. So if you've ever thought to yourself while working with a client, gosh, I just really wish they had this very specific type of tool, Lovable is a great way to dig into how you might be able to do that. But I know that many of you who are listening have more of a finance or an operations background. And you've asked me, Laura, how can I incorporate some of these technologies, some of these AI tools into my own consulting offer? So the next software I'm going to share with you is the perfect way to do that. Hello Frank is a software that will help businesses increase the amount of financial clarity that they're able to have when it comes to looking at what's beyond their P&L statement. A lot of business owners that are growing or scaling are launching and they're hiring, and they're making all of these decisions based on maybe some P&L data that is historical and it isn't providing them with what they need to know real time. Hello Frank has simple visuals, it has forecasting tools, and it just creates movement to static financial reports that are sometimes difficult to use when it comes to making everyday decisions. So with a software like that, you can look at the real-time impact of bringing on a new team member, whether or not they can truly afford a new marketing channel, how an increase in pricing may affect profitability, and whether they're overspending or underspending based on the stage that they're in. If you're a financial expert, you could package this as a one-time setup, an ongoing consulting arrangement, a monthly advisory retainer, or as a quarterly planning service, because the tool is so useful and versatile for many business owners. In addition to finance, I know that many of you are also in HR. A lot of human resources consultants really struggle because they find themselves as a generalist, especially for those of you who have a tremendous amount of experience. And when you're a generalist, what happens is you get caught in the weeds of all of the different intricacies of human resources, which is incredibly time-consuming and makes it very difficult to deliver a result. HeroHire is a tool that will allow you to specialize specifically in recruiting. This is a very real bottleneck for so many companies, and it's one of the most common reasons why businesses struggle to grow. Hero is like a human resources assistant. It acts as a filter for going through resumes. It can automatically reach out to candidates and put them on the calendar. So again, if you have a background in human resources, a software like Hero can help you leverage your experience and your expertise while also bringing your clients a technology platform. Because every company right now is trying to figure out how they can work more efficiently and how they can incorporate AI into their everyday operational procedures. And because hiring is always directly related to growth, this is an offer and a solution that makes it a very easy sell when you put yourself in front of the right buyer. And the final software is the one that I personally use, and that's called HighLevel. So many entrepreneurs want to grow, but behind the scenes, it is a patchwork of a bunch of different tools and softwares, all of which try to talk to each other, but often fail to. And they're also running a really inefficient sales process, particularly when it comes to sales and marketing. HighLevel also has a voice AI feature that's very similar to what I showed you with Atlas. It also has a series of steps and automations and different types of AI tools that can be used running in the background in order for your client to be able to generate more revenue, leveraging the lead flow that they already have. HighLevel also has a built-in lead generation tool. It has a prospecting tool, and it also has an integration with Meta so that you can run ads directly from HighLevel. One of the reasons why I like HighLevel personally is because you can private label it. For many of the softwares that I mentioned previously, you can absolutely incorporate them into your delivery, and I highly recommend that you choose one of these tools. But if you choose HighLevel in particular, what I really like about it is that you can call it your own brand name and charge whatever you would like for it for use of the technology. And this is really nice because as a consultant, you may charge an ongoing retainer for advisory services. But then in addition to that, you can also charge separately for the ongoing use of the technology, even after they've offboarded as a consulting client. Because I love HighLevel so much and I use it so often in my business, I have partnered with them with a free masterclass. You can check that out below this video. I have a great free training on how I use HighLevel in my own business that will also link below this video that will help you get your head around how you could package it and price it in a way that works for you. So those are the 5 softwares and AI systems that I would use if I was starting from scratch today. And if anything, I just hope this video opened up something new for you, that you're thinking to yourself, I actually don't need to be an AI expert in order to be successful having this type of company. You don't even need to learn how to code. What you do need to do is be able to think strategically. That is the gap in the market. It's not all of these tools. It's not the reselling of technology. The gap in the market is coming in as a strategic advisor and working alongside other business owners, helping them reach their goals, leveraging these tools as a way to get there faster and easier. And again, if you want more support on putting your own offer together, I created a free guide for you. It will help you figure out just how you could even get started as a consultant offering advisory services using tools like the ones that I've mentioned in this video. And if this video was helpful to you, it would mean the world to me if you liked and subscribed. And let me know in the comment section if you have any questions about any of these softwares or which ones you've tried. I would love to hear from you as well. And if you're ready for that next step, I invite you to watch this video here on how to get started in AI consulting in 2026. It builds upon everything we talked about today and will give you an even clearer picture on what's possible when it comes to creating a company using AI. I'll see you over there, and thanks again for joining me.